Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix underexposure image using Photoshop mobile application. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my mobile phone, and first of all, I'm going to go to my Adobe Photoshop application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to go to the photo editor, and then you can choose the photo you want to fix. And for example, I'm going to select this photo. I'm going to fix underexposure in this photo. If you want to fix this photo, guys, we can go to the adjustment. Okay, you can click on the adjustment menu, and here you can select the exposure. Okay, you're going to adjust the exposure to fix the underexposure image. I recommend you to increase the exposure like this. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the dehaze menu, and I'm going to increase it as well. Okay, then I'm going to go to the sharpen and increase it because I want to make my photo sharper. Okay, I think it's enough. And then to make it more alive, I'm going to go to the vibrance right here, and I'm going to adjust it. I'm going to make it more blue and more green. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the saturation as well, and then adjust the saturation. Okay, I think that's enough. Basically, you can keep adjusting, guys, according to your photo. Okay, since my photo is green, is containing green and then purple and then also blue, so I'm just gonna select green, blue, and purple. Okay, like this. And I'm satisfied with this look, guys. When you have been satisfied with how it looks, you can just save your photo. Okay, if you want to save it, you can select this icon and then click on it, and the photo will be saved to your device. Okay guys, and that's all the way to fix underexposure image in Photoshop mobile application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button or leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye.